Well, we noticed Mother wasn't around much anymore, but we now have two baby hummingbirds here. Look at them. You'd almost think they were part of the tree. Mommy and Daddy came by and fed them earlier. Pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool, actually, if you ask me. So, I don't know if I'm just behind the curve like I usually am, because I don't really pay a whole lot of attention to electronic technologies and stuff like that. I mean, enough to get by, and enough to say I'm fairly computer savvy, but not enough to know, like, oh, this version's coming out soon, this thing is this here, and this. No. Either way, I was on my YouTube dashboard today, typed into the computer to make sure I had a link to my giveaway on the last video I posted. And all of a sudden I seen it said something about a mobile app for Creator Studios. I'm like, does this mean I can access my Creator Studios from my phone? Like, monetize my videos to try and make a little extra money? Like, change what category they're uploaded in and choose the different thumbnails and everything like that? Like, I knew you could somewhat edit, but now I could check my analytics. I can do a lot more. I haven't really just, fiddled with it too much. But so far, I think I launched it twice so far. Just kind of looking at it. Looks fairly interesting. Y'all might want to go check that sucker out if you got room on your phones for another app that might be useful. Kind of sucks the fact that it's the Creator Studios app versus being all into one. So now you got to basically have two YouTube apps. I could have sworn I just saw a critter go running through my little garden up here. Yeah, last night at the fire though, towards the end of the night, me and my wife were getting ready to come in. Seen a big old creature jump in the tree. Yeah, wasn't too big of a creature though. It was a big ass rat though. I mean, big. Big enough rat that I thought for a second fucker was a possum. Like an adolescent possum, because I couldn't quite catch a good glimpse of it. He was running up in the tree and stuff. I was hoping and praying that he wasn't going to try and go get those freaking babies. Which he didn't, thank God. But he jumped right through the rose bush, right up into the tree, and running around, and finally I got a good glimpse at it, like got right up on it. It's like, okay, it's just a rat. Never mind. But the point of this freaking video is to announce that Bob found Creator Studios, and to see what I can do from uploading this video with the Creator Studios, and just to say hi to all you asshats out there. Tell you to get in on that giveaway. It's gonna be epic. Last knife, I would say, probably will be in hand and showing you guys in a month's time or so. Like I said, this giveaway is going to go for a while, because Bob's collecting stuff for it as best as I can. And check out the updates, because there's other ways you could get in on it. There's other ways you can get in on it. Well, once you've done your initial entry, you got to do your initial entry. So check that video out, see what you got to do to get initially in on it. And then check the updates for chances to get extra entries. Thinking by the time it's all said and done, there may be an opportunity where you can have 10 entries. So far, I think you have the ability to get 6 or 7 entries. I'm gonna have to go watch them again and check my own rules. What an asshat. But I know the basic rules to get your basic entry. And of course that was to be a sub, and sub Wildhaven, and sub Show Enough, and find a subscriber, or find someone to sub that has less than 100 subscribers. We're sharing the love. And then you got to make a VR on, you know, what, when, where, why did you become a subscriber to the Bob. So without any more drawn on bullshit from the Blab, I'm going to end this video because my dad's over here to watch the kids. Me and my wife are probably going to get to go do something nice together now, like fishing, or just get out of the house together for a minute or two. Who knows? Either way, catch you guys later. Have a nice night.